Igogona ria kuhurukia mutongoria wa keri wa bururi mutigaire Daniel Toroitich arap Moi regwekinyetio ni makirima a Kenya kuuma ituri ciothe cia bururi. Miaka 95 ya uturo wake, Moi arari na arata kiheri, no gutiri urakirite wedo wake kuri ciana na andu a nyumba yake aria mamushakaite ta gituge kia mucii wake.
International stature, Mzee Moi never sat with the ordinary people. The hallmark of his leadership was a personal commitment to uplifting the poor, the disadvantaged, and the old. His personal philosophy and belief in God defined his worldview and purpose in life. So we say fare thee well, Mzee.
Moi ni ararathimitwo na tushushu na tushukuru aria matanatigwo na thutha kugana wega wake rodo mwe na gikeno kia matuko maria maraturanetie.
I will miss a lot of things about my grandfather. His counsel, his encouragement, his unwavering support for his grandchildren, and his belief in our abilities. But of all, I miss just sitting with him in silence, watching National Geographic or the news.
He was my granddad. I remember when me and my brother were kids, and my brother got confused because he was like, Dad, there are two Kugas, because he saw Kuga sitting next to us and he saw Kuga on the TV.
Nakure maudu ma mwanya o mudu arerutite maria megutora maririkanaga.
And Kuga always said, never put your reliance in human beings, as human beings will always disappoint. But always remember that you have a friend in God.
Gwataniro yake na Ngai iragerekwo na maciaro ma utungata wake, murata wake wa hakuhi muno na uria wari muthikafu wa kanitha wa AIC Silas Yego akiuga Moi ni arendete Ngai na njira nene.
If there is any person I have known in my life who was so strict on his Christian life, is Mzee Moi. He was so strict, so strict. He followed Christianity. And his favorite verse is Colossians 2:20, which says, I have been crucified with Christ, and I no longer live, but Christ lives in me.
Itemi riake kurehe ugaruruku ona kwara muthigi wa ukristiano ukigwetwo ni aige kuona ananyita itemi gwa kama kanitha na muno makiria kuguciriria aige ari hamwe na andu a nyumba yake gukinyira nginyo-ini ciake.
Mzee Moi was just like that. He wanted all people to believe in Jesus Christ, even us seated here today.
For us, his grandchildren, he instilled the importance of having ambition, focus, humility, and above all, the love of Christ, who is the purveyor of all wisdom.
Moi ahurukire kiumia kihituku ari na ukuru wa miaka 95 thabari yake ikirikirira muthenya wa umuthi thutha wa kuhurukio mucii gwake mwena wa Kabarak kaunti-ini ya Nakuru. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina